everybody, this will be a tutorial on how to install MySQL server in Debian, and it will also work in Ubuntu. First command which we need, sudo apt-get install MySQL-server, press enter. Then confirm the installation. It will install the server and some other packages. During the installation you will be prompted to provide a password for the root user, which is the main administrator of MySQL, so make sure you are using strong enough password and don't lose it. The installation has been finished successfully, and now we can log into our MySQL. To do that, type in MySQL-u username, which is root by default, -p, press enter, enter the password for MySQL root user, and now we are in MySQL shell. First command which we can use is show databases to get listing of all available databases. Here you can see it. We have 3 different databases. Let's take the second one. To change the database, there is command use and then database name, which is MySQL, press enter. Next command which we can use is show tables to get listing of all tables in this database. And now let's try to get listing of all users, of all MySQL users. They are stored in user table, but to know what fields in table, we can get that information with this command explain and then table name, which is user. Type it in, press enter, and you can see all the fields in the user table. Let's take 2 of them, for example host and user, and try to select it. Type in select user host. Make sure you are using proper case because it is case sensitive. From user, press enter, and here you can see we have 2 different users. One is for maintenance and another is root, and you can also see that we can access the server from different hosts. That's why we have multiple entries. Now we can log out from the shell by hitting Ctrl D. Also, it is useful to know some basic commands for managing MySQL service. First command is to check the status of the service. Type in sudo systemctl status MySQL, press enter. Here you can see that it is active and running. Next, let's try to stop it by typing systemctl stop, and let's check the status again. You can see that it is inactive already and it is not running anymore. Let's start it again by typing systemctl start and check the status again. It was started and running already. And the last command that you might need to know is how to disable your service from booting at startup of your machine. To disable it, type in sudo systemctl disable MySQL, press enter, and it was disabled from booting at startup. To enable it again, type in systemctl enable MySQL, press enter. and it is enabled again. That's it what I wanted to tell you today, and thanks for watching.